How to use Instagram as a photo editor without having to post anything. Perhaps you love Instagram's filters and editing capabilities, but aren't quite ready to post a photo to your account, right now, or maybe ever. To use Instagram as a photo editor without posting anything, all you need to do is publish a picture while your phone is on airplane mode. Okay, first into Instagram, then turn on plane mode, next follow the normal steps to post a photo to Instagram, making any edits you would like along the way. Here you'll see it says will auto post when possible. Click on the three dots next to that and then click on post later instead. You'll see when you go to your gallery, it took its time there, but it just saved a copy of that photo. Now you can download this photo and move it anywhere you like. Go back to Instagram, then click on discard post and it won't post it to your profile. And that's all it takes to use Instagram as a photo editor. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.